Welcome to this video on data analysis skills. Data analysis is the process of using data to answer questions, solve problems, and make decisions. Data analysis skills are essential for many professions and industries in the digital age. In this video, we will cover some of the key data analysis skills that you need to master. 1. Data literacy. The ability to understand, communicate, and use data effectively and ethically. 2. Data collection. The ability to gather relevant and reliable data from various sources and formats. 3. Data cleaning. The ability to check, correct, and standardize data to ensure its quality and consistency. 4. Data manipulation. The ability to transform, combine, and reshape data to suit different purposes and analyses. 5. Data visualization. The ability to create and use visual tools to present data in a clear and engaging way. 6. Data interpretation. The ability to analyze, summarize, and draw insights and conclusions from data using statistical methods and tools. 7. Data storytelling. The ability to communicate data findings and recommendations in a compelling and persuasive way using narratives, visuals, and emotions. To develop these data analysis skills, you need to practice using various tools and techniques that can help you perform different tasks and functions related to data. Some of the common tools and techniques include 1. Spreadsheets. Software applications that allow you to store, organize, manipulate, and analyze data using rows, columns, formulas, and functions. 2. Databases. Structured collections of data that can be accessed, queried, and manipulated using a specific language or software. 3. Programming languages. Sets of rules and commands that allow you to create and run programs that can perform various tasks with data. 4. Data analysis software. Specialized software applications that allow you to perform advanced statistical analyses and visualizations with data. To learn these tools and techniques, you can take online courses, read books and blogs, watch videos and podcasts, join communities and forums, attend workshops and webinars, or enroll in boot camps or certifications. There are many resources available online that can help you learn at your own pace and level. However, learning the tools and techniques is not enough. You also need to apply them to real-world problems and scenarios that require data analysis. This will help you improve your critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making skills, as well as your creativity, curiosity, and collaboration skills. You can find opportunities to apply your data analysis skills in various ways, such as 1. Participating in projects or competitions that involve data analysis challenges or tasks. 2. Volunteering or interning for organizations or causes that need data analysis support or assistance. 3. Creating or contributing to open source or public datasets or platforms that share or showcase data analysis work or results. 4. Developing or enhancing your own portfolio or website that demonstrates your data analysis skills and projects. By applying your data analysis skills to real-world problems and scenarios, you will gain more experience and confidence, as well as build your network and reputation as a data analyst. Data analysis skills are valuable and in demand in today's world. By developing these skills, you will be able to leverage the power of data to benefit yourself, your organization, and your society. Thank you for watching this video on data analysis skills. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on professional development topics.